Hello guys, welcome to Rafuel Math Room. Today we'll solve this exponential easy looking math question step by step. So let's start it. C plus 1 divided by 1 plus c equal to, then what is the value of c? So we can write in here 1c plus 1 equal 2 into 1 plus c. Then it will be look like c equal 2 times 1 equal to 2 plus 2 times c equal to c, and this one will be in here minus 1. Then we can write c equal 2c plus 1. Then we have to take square whole square in both sides. Then it will be look like c whole square bracket 2c plus 1 whole square. Then we will use here an exponential formula. It is a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then it will be look like c square equal to 2c square like a square plus 2 times 2c times 1 plus 1 square. Then it will be look like c square equal 4c square plus 4c plus 1. Then we can take here in 4c square minus c square plus 4c plus 1 equal 0. Then 4c square minus c square equal 3c square plus 1, and this minus this 4c will be go in here and it will be like minus 4c. Then we can write 3c square plus 1 divided by c and minus 4c divided by c. Then this c and this c will be cancelled out, and here take c, and this c and this c will cancel out in here. Then we can write in here 3c plus 1 equal minus 4. Then we can take 3c in here, then minus 4, this plus 1 in will be in here minus 1. Then this 3c equal minus 5. Then we can take c equal minus 5 by 4. So this is the value of c equal minus 5 by 4. Now we have to check this exponential equation is c plus 1 divided by 1 plus c equal 2. So we have to replace this c's value in here. Then we can get minus 5 by oh guys, we are just taking a mistake. It will be 3. Minus 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 plus minus 5 by 3 equal 2. But then we can write this minus 3, and then this will be cancel out, and this one will cancel out. Then we can write 0 equal 2, but it cannot possible. So left hand side is not equal right hand side, so there is no solution. So guys, this is the whole process. Hope you are enjoying. Please subscribe my channel. I started this channel like few days ago, but I have like 0 subscriber, so it is very important to me to get a subscribe. It will be helpful and appreciate me. Please do it, guys. Goodbye.